friends, welcome back to Playtime Creative Time! And we're gonna be drawing together. This video, we're going to draw a goldfish. First, let's draw the mouth like this and the body in the shape of an oval. And the tail is a little bit shorter at the top and longer at the bottom. Don't forget to draw lines as the pattern, just like this. Next, let's draw a big circle for the eyes and a curve to split the body and the face. Now draw two small circles and pupil inside the eyes. And then we draw the fin at the top. Don't forget the pattern of the fin also. And then at the bottom, just like this, we're gonna draw another one at the bottom. And next, don't forget the scales. Just little curve, and done. Now we can draw some bubbles and then some crescent inside the bubbles to make it look like it's shining. Now it's done. Let's color the eyes first. Look at the eyes, it's sparkly. For the front of the face, I'm coloring it with orange, light orange. And then for the body, it's slightly bit darker than the front. And I'm tracing the scales with darker shade of orange. Also for the tail and the fins. And the next for the bubbles, of course it's gonna be blue like this. You can clean any excess color outside the border. And finally, our goldfish is done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.